with Davido comot from this trouble where he enter so. Only Baba God fit answer am. Here my people, how on a day still amebo girl seeing me where my amebo gist partners like me come carry chair sit down and get better gist for una. Una know say for this channel and ogbonge news I dey carry come undiluted as they cook am, na so I dey carry come gist to now. So on today's episode na still the video matter we carry come. Omo we never still settle Tiwa Savage own. Una remember say Tiwa don't cry out publicly say if anything happen to her make we hold Davido responsible, as if that one no dey enough. His ex-baby mama Sophia Momodu don't come out again petition am say Davido dey threaten her life. Wetin we go call this one now? Who we go come believe? Do you think David will stoop so low to threatening these ladies? Omo, if not true, Davido no try at all. You don't marry, why you go dey still dey chook eyes for where your ex dey? E no make sense. But until the truth is prevailed, I no dey believe anybody, cause for this internet where we dey things dey occur. Some people go see truth because say we know they listen, they go just turn the truth upside down in the favor of themselves. And David really needs some time off social media cause the dragging recently done the day too much. I be my people waiting on a think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.